We are here to represent a short report about topic shifting, an important concept in a conversation and communication. Topic shifting happens when a speaker changes the subject during a discussion. This shift can be smooth and natural, or it can be abrupt and confusing, depending on how it's handled. Understanding on how topic shifting works help us become better communicators, especially in a group conversation, interviews, or debate.
Number 1. Current topic. This is the subject where people are talking about before any change happen. Example, talking about homework. I need to finish my math homework tonight. Number 2. Shift signal. Words, phrases, or gestures that show the speaker is about to change the subject. Examples. By the way, speaking of, anyway, that reminds me. Example, by the way, did you hear about the school event? Number 3. New topic. The first subject introduced after the shift. Example, changing from homework to school event. Example, the school fair is happening this Friday. Number 4. Transition. The way the shift happens, either smooth, related, or abrupt, unrelated. Smooth. Since we're talking about school, have you joined any clubs? Abrupt. Anyway, do you like pizza? Sudden and unrelated. Number 5. Listener's response. The reaction of the other person shows if the shift is successful. Accepted. They join the new topic. Rejected. They return to the old topic. Example. Accepted. Oh yes, I'm excited about the fair. Rejected. Wait, let's finish let's finish talking about homework first.
There are barriers in topic shifting. Number 1. Abrupt change. Example, I am worried about the exam. Okay, did you watch the game? Solution to overcome the abrupt change. Use signals like by the way or speaking of. Link topics smoothly or acknowledge first. Irrelevance. Talking about food suddenly changed the topic without connection. Solution to overcome irrelevance. Choose a related topic or give a short link between ideas. Poor timing. Example, interrupting someone mid-sentence to change topic. Solution to overcome poor timing. Wait for a pause or when the current topic feels complete. Listener resistance. Example, person continues discussing the old topic and ignores the new one. Solution to overcome listener resistance. Be patient, use polite cues, or return later to the new topic.
Barrier and solutions. Barrier. There are barriers to topic shifting, something the change in adapt, irrelevant, or done with poor timing and listener of eases. Solutions. To overcome those, we can use clear signals, wait for good timing, concept topic, smoothly and slow respect and empathy. Example and closing. Here's the example. Person A, I'm really tired from school today. Person B, yeah, me too. By the way, have you started the project? This shows how topic shifting works. In summary, topic shifting helps us manage a conversation effectively and keep conversation smooth.